Take advantage of the free safety advisory campaign for water parks and aquatic facilities that we are launching today, specially designed for tourist resorts around the world. We want to do our part in favor of greater safety in our sector. Therefore, we offer all our knowledge and available tools so that professionals and companies in the industry with aquatic facilities can have safer spaces that comply with all the criteria and requirements of international safety regulations. We offer you 4 main ways we can assist you. First, we share specific maintenance checklists tailored to different types of aquatic attractions. Also, we provide you with a free copy of our Blue Book on water safety, a technical reference guide in the industry. Additionally, we provide you with a complete list of all the technical documentation required by regulations. Whether you are the park operator or a supplier of the facilities, this documentation is essential to ensure safety from a management and operational perspective. Finally, if you have a project in the design or construction phase for the upcoming season, we offer a free review of the project's memorandum, technical sheets, plans, or any other related technical documents. If you're looking for an extra, we can offer you 2 additional services for a small fee. First, a copy of the applicable safety regulations, both European and American. These regulations are typically paid, but we handle their management on your behalf. Second, in the countries where we have delegations, such as Spain, Mexico, and Turkey, we can conduct pre-audit visits and facility diagnostics for just the cost of travel expenses. For all these reasons, don't miss this unique opportunity and count on the support of a trusted entity to make your facilities safer for the upcoming season. Click on the link and request your free advisory today.